I'm sure you've heard of companies like Walmart, Amazon, and Best Buy. Not only are these multi-billion-dollar companies that serve customers worldwide, but there is also something else going on that is changing lives of people across the globe. Instead of just earning billions of dollars from customers annually, these companies are also paying individuals millions of dollars collectively for just getting other people to visit their websites, with something called an affiliate website link. This concept is known as affiliate marketing, and many see it as the new wave of entrepreneurship. Take a look. If we go to Walmart.com and scroll to the bottom of Walmart's website, you see the link right here, Affiliate Program. We click the link and here you see it. Become a Walmart affiliate. Earn money by referring customers to Walmart.com. At Amazon.com, we scroll to the bottom of the website. It says right here under Make Money with Us, become an affiliate. And finally, BestBuy.com. At the bottom of their website, we see the same thing. Many people are earning part-time and even full-time incomes by marketing their affiliate website links. The primary difference between NoveMoney.com and all the sites we just looked at is with their programs, you may earn a few cents to a few dollars per sale. With our program, you can earn up to hundreds per sale. The consumer credit industry is on fire right now, and it's time you get your piece of the pie. 1 in 4 Americans have a credit score in the 500s, and the demand for credit services is increasing day by day. There's a huge segment of the mortgage industry that is no longer offering customers with bad credit the opportunity to get a home loan. Even in the auto industry, lenders are demanding higher credit scores, and loan originators are having a tougher time finding deals. With over 80 million Americans having poor credit, the market for potential clients is vast. Our Nove Money affiliate program gives you the opportunity to earn up to $100 per referral on our Nove Money Credit Education Service. And that's not all, because we understand that financial wellness doesn't start and end with credit. We have a variety of products and services in the finance industry that gives you the ability to earn up to $500 per customer enrolled depending on the service. And if you refer other people who, like you, want to take advantage of this growing market, you can earn commissions as you build a team of other affiliates all across the country. Not only do you receive personal referral commissions from customers and other affiliates, but you also receive up to $200 in override commissions as they refer other affiliates as well. Did I mention you also earn residual income? You'll be provided with immediate and ongoing training via your very own Members Lounge access portal, conference calls, webinars, and social media platforms to ensure you have the support to gain the success you're looking for. We understand you're getting started for yourself, but rest assured, you are not by yourself. Whatever level you choose to get started is fine, because we're really not interested in your money. We are truly interested in your results. The more people we can get to share our message, the more families' lives we can change with our financial education, services, and empowerment. Work the affiliate program at your own pace, on your own time, in addition to whatever you're doing now. The choice is yours. The financial change and the lifestyle you desire and deserve may be only a few clicks away.